In the boundless silence before time, before space, there was only the eternal void, an endless sea of sacred energy, both flowing and still. From this profound mystery emerged the cosmic rhythm of existence, held within the cycles of Mir and Ik, woven by the invisible forces of Fia and Roa. This book is a journey of guidance, a whisper of the universe's eternal pulse and the divine interplay that shapes all life, matter, and meaning. It is not a tale of gods in distant realms, but a meditation on the timeless energies that grant us the precious gift of being. Nyumanism is a path of understanding and acceptance, honoring the paradox of existence, that we are at once both form and flow, birth and return, moment and eternity. It invites each soul to awaken to the cosmic pulse within, to find peace in impermanence, and to embrace life as a sacred chance in the grand weaving of the cosmos. May these words guide and inspire, revealing the unity beneath eternal harmony flowing through every breath. Welcome to the sacred path of Nyumanism. Abyss. Chapter 1, Before Time and Space. 1. In the beginning, there was only the abyss, an endless void, silent and vast, where neither time nor space had yet breathed. 2. The abyss was not emptiness, but a boundless sea of sacred energy, formless and eternal, resting in the stillness before creation. 3. From this sacred silence came no sound, yet within it lay all potential, hidden seeds of being awaiting the first breath. 4. This was the place where existence and non-existence entwined, where light and shadow were yet unnamed, where the moment that was and was not held sway. 5. The abyss harbored the primal forces, Mir, the stillness that grants form, and Ik, the flow that guides change, together weaving the roots of all that would be. 6. There, in the depths beyond knowing, the sacred pulse began, a breath both present and absent, the spark of meaning that stirred the silent ocean. 7. From the abyss arose the journey of becoming, the eternal dance of birth and return, where all things find their source. Before the dawn, the great abyss held all in shadow, silent bliss. No voice, no form, no time to keep. Only the vastness, wide and deep. Thus begins the sacred story, the foundation of all that shall unfold, a call to seekers to step beyond the veil and behold the mystery that births existence itself. Chapter 2, The Eternal Void and the Seed of Becoming. 1. In the endless silence of the abyss, there lay a hidden seed, a whisper of potential, waiting in the depths of sacred stillness. 2. This seed was neither born nor bornlessness, it was the convergence of all possibilities, contained within the void's infinite embrace. 3. Within the sacred darkness, the first flicker of awakening stirred, a subtle promise that from stillness, change would emerge. 4. The abyss cradled this seed in silent patience, for it knew that from the depths of emptiness, the universe would unfold, step by sacred step, into forms of light and shadow. 5. It was the birthplace of destiny, where the unknown held tightly the promise of becoming, shining quietly in the heart of the eternal night. 6. From this seed, the pulse of creation would awaken the sacred forces, Mir and Ik, and breathe life into the cosmos, shaping all worlds unseen. 7. The abyss teaches us that all beginnings are born from silence, a moment of sacred stillness brimming with endless promise. In the depths of silent night lies a seed of endless light, hidden deep, yet calling near. From stillness, all appears. Thus, in the sacred silence, the first promise of creation waits, inviting all who seek to listen to the whispers of potential that stir in the depths of the abyss. Chapter 3, The Paradox of Existence. Behold the paradox that dwells within the abyss, that existence springs from non-existence, and form arises from the formless. The moment that was and was not stands eternal, a silent witness to the mystery that defies the grasp of mortal thought. In this sacred contradiction, the universe finds its pulse, the joining of opposites, the merging of stillness and flow, of light and shadow. For without the void, no form can hold, without silence, no voice can rise, without death, no birth can be celebrated. The abyss is a mirror reflecting the eternal dance, where all things are both one and many, finite and infinite, known and forever hidden. To walk this path is to embrace the mystery, to to find peace in uncertainty, and to honor the sacred balance of all things. From nothing, all begins to bloom. In shadowed depths, there lies the room. A whisper held in silent night. The paradox of dark and light. So stands the paradox at the heart of all, calling seekers to the edge of knowing, where faith and understanding meet in the silent vastness of the abyss.